The final step in our journey is to use the data that we have saved in these tables and start searching them to make our database more functional. So the way we do that is by doing what is called a query. So what I'm going to do is actually click on the query, the table that I want to access the data from for my query, go into Create and go into a Query Wizard. I click on Simple Query Wizard, drag all the fields across, select Next, and then I give it a meaningful name. In this case, I will call it Member Loans and click Finish. You'll see at the moment it brings up everything in the actual table because I haven't told it what to actually set. So I'm going to go into my home here, and change the view. See, it pops up this window here. What I'd like to do in this one here is actually be able to search by surname. But what I've got to do is do a few things for the program to recognize that I only want to search by a keyword or a few letters, not the whole surname. So I do like quotation marks, asterisks, and then I put some square brackets in. Anything in the square brackets will give me a question for the user. I do another ampersand, and that's it there. So when I run my query, I can just enter, say, a W, for example. It's going to pop up anyone with a W that actually borrowed a book on that day. So that's how we make a simple query. I'm going to close that one and save it. I'm now going to use that query to create a report. Member Loans report, and finish. So when I enter, you can see it's giving me a report. Now you'll need to tweak this a little bit. Close the preview. Go into my actual design view. You'll need to tweak these fields a little bit so you've actually got space, so you can actually see the data. So if I go back to the view, I'm starting to see a little bit more here. So you can see that I've amended this column here to make it more easy to read. I can close that one down. Back in my menu here, all I'm going to do is go into my design view. I'm going to put in a new button. And I want a report operation, open a report, Members Loan report, Okay, so when I view, click on Member Loan Report, it's going to ask me for a surname, enter it in, and there's my report. So there's queries, reports, form operations. Thank you for watching.